Hey, my name's Olivia, and on behalf of DelveRisk, I would like to welcome you to the platform and thank you for signing up. In this portal, you'll find a number of modules and reports that are all designed and built to save you a lot of time. Let's cover a few of them together really quickly. As you explore the main section of the portal, you'll recognize the navigation experience is pretty familiar, as we built this to function like a searchable map, but with market intelligence instead. At the top, you'll see a section labeled Traits that enables you to specify selection and search criteria, which helps you narrow down both executives and companies that match what you're looking for. You can see reports based on how many employees a company has, what industry they're in, or even where they're headquartered. You can even drill down your search further by searching specific criteria on cyber executives, things like their military history, how long they've been at a company, and even their hobbies. To the right, you'll see the section where our snapshots are previewed. By clicking on those images, you can access detailed reports about the company and executive. These reports contain 15 plus pages of research content to help you understand the business, its cyber leaders, and preferences. If you're using a community account, you can click the Available toggle to access reports that we're including in the free monthly rotation or ones that you've bought individually. At the top right of the portal, you'll see a few modules for various reports or training. This section contains helpful resources like the Monthly Movers Report, where we provide updates on the senior cyber executive company moves each month. You'll also find our Events module, where you can access a calendar view of all the cybersecurity conferences and events across the country, all centralized in one convenient location for you. Remember, if you're using a community account, you'll only be able to see 2 weeks of scheduled events at a time. You can always upgrade your account later to access full visibility. I hope this quick overview was helpful, and again, thanks for joining us as we work to make this ecosystem work a bit smoother. See you soon.